Mommy, Trudy, Miss April, to all the beautiful workers of Pegasus family.
Yeah.
Yeah, we would like to bring a happy birthday to only smallest girl in Pegasus, Miss Sandy. Happy birthday! Sandy, happy birthday! Whoa, happy birthday! Happy birthday. Yeah, any words, message to Pegasus family?
Especially cool level and amazing cover that DJ Albert. Bye for them, all the stuff. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. Wow.
Thank you.
And Miss Sandy is for accepting any of the battle like Red Label and JD, Chivas, and of course once again, happy birthday. You may now blow the candle at the count of 5, 4, 3.